Hey there, fellow 3D printing enthusiasts! If you're just starting to dip your toes into this exciting world, you might be wondering what kind of beginner-friendly projects you can tackle to build up your skills and confidence. Well, wonder no more. I've got you covered. First and foremost, let's talk about the humble but mighty keychain. This classic 3D printing project is the perfect place to start. Not only are keychains quick and easy to print, but they also give you a great opportunity to experiment with different filament types, colors, and techniques. Plus, you'll end up with a functional little trinket that you can proudly show off to your friends and family. Another fantastic option for newbies is the humble vase. Now, I know what you're thinking, a vaser really, but hear me out. 3D printed vases are not only visually stunning, but they also allow you to explore the intricacies of layer height, wall thickness, and infill patterns. And the best part, you can put those new vases to good use, displaying your favorite flowers or even just adding a touch of DIY flair to your home decor. Now, if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, why not try your hand at designing and printing your own custom desk organizers? This is a great way to put your problem-solving skills to the test, as you'll need to think about the specific items you want to store and how to optimize the design for efficient printing and functionality. Plus, you'll end up with a one-of-a-kind piece that will make your workspace look extra snazzy. And let's not forget the good old-fashioned fidget spinner. These addictive little gadgets are the perfect way to put your 3D printing prowess to the test. Experiment with different designs, materials, and printing techniques to create a spinner that's truly unique to you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wow, this all sounds amazing, but where do I even start? Fear not, my friends. Our YouTube channel is chock full of tutorials, project ideas, and expert advice to help you navigate the world of 3D printing, no matter your skill level. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel. Dive into those beginner-friendly projects and get ready to unleash your inner creator. Trust me, the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you hold that first successful print in your hands will be worth it, and it'll only spark your passion for 3D printing even further.